So I have an F-150 with the Oedro or whatever 3-piece folding soft top. So when I first installed this, I couldn't figure out how to get the tailgate closed, because when you try to close it, it just bumps up against this. What I was doing is grabbing the edge of it, sticking my thumbs under it, and then I was closing it. What I decided to do was screw a piece of strapping in here so that when I go to close it, I'll lift the gate up, grab the strapping, lift it up, closes just fine. So if you're wondering how to fix that problem with them not closing properly, or you know, instead of having to mash your thumbs every time you try to close the gate, just screw it in. And I screwed it on the back side. Yeah, there. Just put a piece of strap in there to hold it. That's it. Then lift my gate up, grab my strap. There you go.